for Nokia HQ, and today's video is going to be very short. We just want to show you and explain to you our vCard generator plugin, which you can get in the Bubble plugin store. So if you don't know what a vCard is, let me explain that to you. So a vCard is a specific structure that kind of encompasses contact information. And it's a structure which can be opened by various computers, by your mobile phone, whether it's Android or your iPhone. So vCard is a file type basically, which when opened kind of allows you to import a whole contact into your phone. So this is really relevant for some, for different kinds of applications. If you want to download a vCard of some way to just quickly add their info to your contact list, send vCard information, and so on and so forth. Those like a data structure, data type, basically allowing you to exchange contact information, which is basically generally recognized by all kinds of devices. And we just want to show you in this quick video how to use our plugin to generate vCard files within Bubble. So first of all, you will need our plugin, which is called vCard Generator. You can just install that. Okay. Once it's installed, you can see the plugin here, and you can see the plugin content. So you have access to three things: the element, which is called vCard Generator, the action, which is generate a vCard, and the event, a vCard has been generated. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So what you will need is that we're on the page right now. I just have this text here. You will have to search for the vCard Generator element and just drag down to the page. This is a super small, non-visible element, so you can just drag it anywhere you want. Just don't make it non-visible because it won't work then, but just drag it anywhere. It won't be visible for the user. And now you will have access to the action and the event. So for example, let's add a button here, and this button should say generate vCard. Okay. And when this button is pressed, we can start editor workflow, and we can say, all right, element actions, vCard generator, I want to generate a vCard. And now basically you have the ability to take a look at all of the different things. So you have the possibility to specify a file name. Okay, so obviously a file will be generated and this file will have a name. So let's just call that test. You could also use dynamic data, of course. And then the actual contact information. So I'm going to call it Simon, I don't know, test. Okay, you can add a phone number, obviously. So let me just add a phone number. You can add an email, and keep in mind all of this can be specified dynamically. So if you have like maybe a social network and you have like a profile page, and you could say on the profile page, okay, so the current user or current page user's email. So you could dynamically generate this, which is quite great. You could add a URL here as well, and also company. And then you have this feature which says auto download. So what does this mean? This means that if you check this, the file will automatically be downloaded to the current device, wherever it is, so when it is created. Let's just keep that checked, and first of all, let's see what happens. Okay, let's just preview our application here. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and just generate our vCard. Let's click that, and you can see our test.vcf file was generated, which is our vCard. Let me click on that, and I just opened my contact app here on my Mac, and you can see the contact was successfully added. Simon test, nokia.com. We have his phone number, his email, and his URL. It worked perfectly fine. It automatically recognized and imported into my Mac contacts list. So really simple. And you see it was auto download, and that's already basically it. Obviously, you could define dynamic data as specified already. We won't do that here now. Just one important thing now is you also have access to the elements event. A new vCard has been generated. So when this vCard has been generated, this event is triggered, and you could obviously do things like show an alert. Okay, so I don't know, success alert, but you could also do something like make changes to thing, and you could say current user whatever, and do something because you have access to this vCards generator uploaded vCard. Okay, so for example, how would that look? So let's say your user has a field called vCard, okay, of type file, and you could say, all right, so when a vCard has been generated, I want to update the current user's vCard by specifying this vCard generator's uploaded vCard. Okay, and that's basically it. The vCard that has been generated will be saved to the current user's vCard, and then obviously you can always access that vCard by specifying current user's vCard. And in this case, you will probably also want to not auto download that here, so you could remove this button, and then the file wouldn't be downloaded. So yeah, in this case, it would just be generated, it would be attached to the current user, but it won't be downloaded to the actual device. And that's basically it. Simple plugin to set up, but quite powerful, allowing you to add the whole vCard functionality to your application. And there might be super many use cases for you to do that. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you guys for next tutorial of NoCodeHQ. Bye.